Hey everyone, Cameron here. Today I want to show you guys a walkthrough of the Sellvia dashboard, and what we're going to focus on is the marketing tab specifically. This section brings together a bunch of different marketing tools that can be used to promote your products and stores across multiple channels. Let's open the marketing tab now and go through each part one by one. Right, so this is the marketing section, like I talked about. On the left-hand side, you can see all the different marketing tools listed. Each tool page includes a short description and a video that explains how the tool works and what exactly it's used for. All right. The videos can be really helpful, especially for beginners, because they give you a overview of what you can do with each tool. So if we look at the first one, it's called social media. This tool provides ready-made materials for posting on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. So inside the tool, there's a profile setup kit that includes templates for social media profiles and also a collection of product visuals along with pre-written captions and hashtags. Now, all these materials are downloadable and can be posted directly to social media accounts without editing. The content is designed to match common social media formats and posting styles, making it so easy for beginners. Let's check out the next tool, which is Premium Blog Post. All right, so I'm just going to click it on the left-hand side. And now this tool includes a collection of long-form blog articles. The package provides a set of blog posts published shortly after activation. You get about 50 articles. Additional posts added on a regular schedule, another 50 articles, and visual elements that are included inside each article. The blog posts include visual elements, and those are added to the store's blog section and are structured around product related topics. So you're not going to get blog posts that are off topic or not within your store's niche. Whenever you activate this tool, the page shows a list of blog posts published on the site, the main keyword with their search volume, and links to each article so the content can be reviewed directly. That's enough for blog post. Let's move on to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads. All right, this tool focuses on ready-made advertising materials for social media platforms. Inside here, we can see a selection of ad campaigns. There are video creatives, written ad copy, and targeting settings configured for each platform. Because as we know, every platform has a different algorithm. All the materials are added directly to the dashboard and follow the formatting rules of Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. This tool is built around a copy and use approach, where the ad structure, visuals, and text are already prepared and can be reused without manual setup from scratch. Once again, it's a game changer even if you're not a beginner, because there's so much content available that your store never gets boring. Moving on to the TikTok and Instagram store. This tool connects store products with TikTok and Instagram in a social commerce format. So after activation, access becomes available to ready-made TikTok and Instagram store links, along with a short intro video explaining how the tool works, like we talked about before. The tool includes a mobile-friendly storefront with a one-click checkout option, a bio text template, and a library of ready-made images and videos designed for stories, reels, and other short-form content. Once again, in this tool, all materials can be downloaded from the dashboard and are used directly on TikTok and Instagram. The next tool is email marketing. This tool sets up automated email campaigns. Once it's active, the tool installs a lead generation banner on the store's homepage, launches a sequence of automated follow-up emails, and displays campaign performance inside the dashboard. Right, this is very, very useful and pretty self-explanatory. Now let's check out YouTube marketing. The YouTube marketing tool gives you ready-made video content and channel assets. This is really cool. Inside this section, you get a list of product videos, and it even includes things like video cover images and written descriptions with hashtags and links and profile assets like a channel image and banner. Super useful, once again, for beginners, and it can save you a lot of time on your creatives. Last in the section is Google SEO Backlinks. This tool is related to search visibility and focuses on placing links to the store on external websites. Imagine it like you're on another website and there's something relevant to your store. Well, what this does is put a link to your store on those websites. It really can help drive traffic to you. After you activate it, access becomes available to a step-by-step guide and a backlink checker. Each option also shows the number of links included and the general type of placement. That's all for the tools in the marketing tab. And across all of these, the layout stays pretty consistent. Each service has a short description, even a video tutorial showing you how to use the tool, clear labeling, and a defined scope of what's included. This makes it really easy to compare tools and understand which one covers and which one might be best for your store. All right, that's the full overview of the marketing tab inside the Sellvia dashboard. In the next video, we'll continue reviewing other sections and tools step by step to show how everything is organized and how the platform works overall. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.